Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Chavi Gupta, your online mentor. This particular video is meant for everyone who has attempted CAT 2021 and is planning to do MBA starting 2022. Now that you have attempted the CAT exam, you have also got the answer key. I'm pretty sure you have also figured out how many you potentially have scored, how many marks you have scored, and you would be trying to figure out what would be your percentile, what would be your calls, and everything. Now, if you are someone whose CAT was really good and you scored good marks, great, congratulations. You might be thinking if you can convert some colleges, you might already be delving into things like what you have to do to convert some colleges. If you are someone whose CAT did not go very well, you might still be thinking, should I prepare for CAT again? Should I do something else? What should be my backup? But wait, before all of that, I think that you should not just focus on the CAT exam and also focus on the other management entrance exam tests. And you should try to give your best in all of these different exams, right? You should not be overconfident just because you think your score will be high, or you should not be underconfident just because you were not able to perform as well as you could have on the final day. That said, one of the very important management entrance exam that is coming on is the XAT exam. It is there just a few weeks ahead of us, and I hope that you have started your preparation for the XAT exam as well. Just to help you with that preparation, I would like to introduce you to an amazing free mock test series. Unacademy has launched, like CAT, a XAT mock test series as well, wherein there are tons and tons of students who will be attempting these mock tests so that when you attempt the mock test, you are able to figure out what is your rank amongst all of these different people. You will also be able to analyze your mock test. You will get a detailed report of analysis. You will be able to analyze your mock test and know much more about your weaknesses or the questions that you did not attempt correctly. So it is very important at this point in time to start giving mock tests if you haven't already, or to enroll in a mock test which actually shows you your potential rank amongst all of the people who will be giving the exam. To enroll in the same, just click on the link that is given in description below. You will reach to this particular page. Just go through. This is what the mock test series offers. There are multiple things that it offers. So just enroll into the mock test series, put down your contact number, enroll, use my code AskChavi to enroll for free to get this mock test series for free. You should attempt live all the mock tests that are remaining right now, and even the ones that you were not able to attempt, you should definitely go back and you will be able to attempt them and check your overall scores and compare it with the rank list. So that said, as I have mentioned even before, mock tests are something that are super essential for any sort of preparation, especially an aptitude exam preparation wherein you are not just testing your content or the subject knowledge, but you're also testing how well do you handle time pressure, how well do you handle exam pressure, how well do you handle anxiety when you cannot do a few questions, and a lot more. And hence mock tests become even more important in exams like this. So I hope that you will be able to utilize this particular mock test series to its best. You will be able to analyze your mistakes and you will definitely score much better. Good luck for your XAT exam. Do well. Bye bye.